What's going on, everyone? Today we got a 2017 Kia Sedona. This is how you reset the maintenance reminder. Got a menu button here. Press it till you get over to user settings. When you get to user settings, you're going to scroll down. Okay, and it says service interval. You're going to press OK. And then right here is where you're going to reset. We're going to go to months, and we're going to change the duration to 10 months and the distance to 3,000 miles. Okay. And you hit save, and you're all good to go. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe.